Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Women. Today we are talking about beautiful hand embroidery designs and creative ideas. Hand embroidery is a wonderful art that many people love because it is relaxing, colorful and full of creativity. With just a needle, thread and fabric, you can make amazing designs by hand. Embroidery has been popular for many years in different countries and cultures. People also embroider to decorate, use cloths, pillow covers, tablecloths, bags, baby dresses and many other things. Handmade embroidery always looks special because very attractive and famous. Every stitch is made with care and love. Let's start with floral embroidery design. Flower patterns are one of the most popular embroidery styles. Roses, sunflowers, daisies and small wildflowers all look beautiful on fabric. Floral embroidery can make simple clothes look elegant and stylish. Many beginners also like flower designs because they are easy to learn. Another lovely idea is leaf and vine embroidery. Green leaves and soft vines create a natural and fresh look. You can use different shades of green thread to make the design look more realistic. These patterns are perfect for dupattas, shirts, cushion covers and wall decorations. Now let's talk about simple embroidery stitches. Running stitch is one of the easiest stitches for beginners. It is simple and neat. Back stitch is another useful stitch that helps create outlines and shapes. Satin stitch is perfect for filling flower petals and leaves with color. Chain stitch is also very popular because it creates beautiful patterns and borders. Mirror work embroidery is also very famous. Small mirrors and stitched into fabric to create shiny and colorful design. This style is often used in traditional dresses, handbags and home decorations. Mirror work looks especially beautiful on bright fabrics. Color combinations are very important in embroidery. Bright colors create a cheerful and lively design, while soft pastel shades give a calm and elegant look. Red, pink, yellow, green and blue threads are always popular choices. Gold and silver thread can make also embroidery look rich and festive. Hand embroidery is not only beautiful but also relaxing. Many people enjoy embroidery because it helps reduce stress and keeps the mind calm. Sitting quietly and creating something by hand feels very peaceful and satisfying. Embroidery hoops are helpful tools for beginners. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.